Hey everybody, this is Mr. Sour here again, and I was just going to do a quick unboxing here for the Mars Hydro TS 1000 LED light. As you can see here, here's the package. The only damage you've seen in the package was right here. So, something punctured it. Tape cut here. Okay, so there's our puncture, and as you can see, we got the other box is in here. So it's a box in a box. Get this one open. Other side went nice and smooth. This side not so much. That's just me trying to do it one-handed though. Shallow cut there. Alright. What do we got here? Got some stickers. And here's our light. Package. And there's the ballast. Some hangers. Up here on the table. And as you can see, everything works. Obviously, I haven't got it fully assembled yet, but all LEDs appear to be lit up and working. So that was the Mars Hydro TS 1000, and I'm gonna plug it here, and then I'll work on finish assembling it here. It also had the user manual. Warranty information, some growing tips, different information about different models, some hanging clips, and then the end screw-in bits for the ballast. Alright, thanks everybody. It's Mr. Sour, and I'm signing out.